the geological record for the Pacific Northwest shows that a major earthquake and tsunami happens about every 300 years. And the last one happened on January 1st, 1700, on the turn of the century. So it's now 2022, so we're overdue for a major earthquake and tsunami. And the place that I am right now, between the Pacific Ocean and these massive cliffs, is about the worst place I can imagine being during a tsunami. For an earthquake, you've got rocks come tumbling down this way, the ocean is going to be sucking out, and then I would have to either head a mile back over these giant cobbles and then upland, or head up the cliffs to try and get to safety before the tsunami came in. And I don't like either of those options. So let's head on out. I don't think tsunami's happening today, but I don't want to take my chances. Ah, geez, don't forget the camera.